Saving the world from our bedrooms, dinner spilled down Batman costumes, as tough as nails we thought. Saving the world from our gardens, costume dirty, dinner started, as tough as nails we thought, but we were not. As tough as sleeping foxes in Batmobiles made from Hoover boxes. Saving the world from our kitchen, starters out, the waiters bitching. In Gotham it is not. Before you know it, pudding's eaten, another table's been defeated. The battle's won, but not the war. As tough as sleeping foxes, saving the world in Hoover boxes. And as a boy I'd sit and think in my Batcave, I'd think how older me would talk and would behave. It turns out fighting crime is not the life for me. I'll still be serving dinners when I turn 83. Heading home, last order shout, the hero status isn't down. The Joker's off the roof. Back in the cave and gather focus, butler handed in his notice, his hero's on his own. It's tough as sleeping foxes, Batmobiles made from Hoover boxes. As tough as sleeping foxes, saving the world.